You're welcome in this section. So in this particular section, you're going to know the strategies to monetize your ebook and earn steady. You remember you have seen the best platforms to list your ebooks and receive payments worldwide, right? And you have also copied your link from that particular platform. Now, this is the main part, the strategies to monetize it and start getting some. You understand? So now remember that before you earn from anything, whether a product or service, you must sell. So now in this section we're going to discuss about how to sell. But remember, before you think of selling, you must generate leads or customers. You must generate leads or customers. And how do you generate those customers? There are two ways to generate customers. We have free ways and we also have paid ads. Free ways, we talked it on this video. I talked more about it on this video, 17 minutes video. Watch it to learn the free ways to get unlimited customers. But on this particular video, we are going to talk more on paid ads, and we're going to focus on WhatsApp ads and TikTok ads. Okay, remember, you need customers to sell your ebooks to. Why? Because you cannot make money anywhere without selling. It's either you are selling your service or you are selling your product. Here you have converted your knowledge or your talent to ebook, and you must sell it to make money. So now this is how to sell on WhatsApp, or how to run WhatsApp ads to get customers that will purchase your ebook. After that, I will now show you how to also run TikTok ads to get customers or leads to purchase your ebook. So after that one, I will now show you how to close those customers to be able to give you the money you need, and they will get your ebook. So see you on how to create ads on WhatsApp. Alright, so this is how to run WhatsApp ads using your WhatsApp business, not normal WhatsApp, your normal WhatsApp business. I've run 3 ads here already, and you can see the conversion, and they did well as well. So now here is how you can also run your own ads. So you have to click create ad. So if you click create ad, it will pop up like this, and you can see different categories and how it looks like. So you can either use photo or you use video to run these ads. For instance, I want to use photo. You can also run direct from your WhatsApp statue. Okay, so but I don't want to run from my WhatsApp statue, so I have to click upload photo or video. Then I click next. So it will take me to my gallery, and I'll select that photo or that video that I want to use and run ads. Maybe this is what I want to use to run ads. I'll select it. What I'm about to do here is that I want to teach people how to use AI to code or build websites. Okay, this is what I want to use and run ads, and you can see how it looks like. So I can click next. Then you also select the country you want this your ad to reach. Okay, for instance, I want to select Nigerians. I want to focus in Nigeria and Ghana. Okay, you can see I'll select Nigeria and Ghana, but if you want to select some other countries like Zambia, I can also select Zambia as well. Select many, like many as you like. After that, you click save. Then you can also set the age. Check the type of ads you want to run, like how much is that your ad, like how much is what you want to sell. Check that. So it's very important to target your age. Reason is because a 17 or 16 years old boy or girl cannot afford 50,000 to pay you for your service, right? So you have to check that age. For instance, this my AI coding blueprint is 15,000 naira. So I have to shift it, because I know somebody that is 17, 19 years might find it hard to bring out 15,000 to learn something. So I have to take it to the age to 25. You can see me dragging it. 25. You can also select the gender as all, or if you need only men, you select men. If you need only women, you select women. Okay, but myself, I need all. I need both men and women. So after I've set everything, I'll click save. So this is exactly how it looks like. And if your ad is about financial products and services or employment, housing, social issues, click this. Okay, but if it's not, then you can untick it. Okay, so after you have selected this, you click next. Then you can see your budget. You can now choose how many days you want the ads to run. Is it 10 days? Is it 5 days? Is it only a day? Then anyone you choose. You can see it here. You choose. For me, I want these ads to run for 3 days or 4 days. Let me leave it at 4 days. Then how much do you want to spend per day? Okay, is it 2,000 naira? Depending on your budget, you can increase this to 50,000. Any amount you want to run, you want to use to run these ads. But remember that the higher the money, the higher the quality, the higher the leads or customers that will enter your DM. You can't be selling a product of 15,000 naira just like me, and you will use just 2,000 naira to run ads. Just know that you are deceiving yourself. Okay, it will not be possible. People that will come to your DM will be beggars, like people that just need your help and not to patronize or to buy your products. So please, the higher the amount of your product, the higher the ads. Okay, make sure you know this. Then after you have set everything, like myself, my product is 15,000 naira, so I have to increase it. Let me use this amount, 100,000. Remember, you can use any amount you like. Okay, reason is because if my daily budget is 100,000 and I use it to run ads, people that will comes to my DM will surely patronize or buy whatever I sell. So after I have set my budget, after I have set my duration, after I have set the country that I need, which is Nigeria and Ghana, I've set everything. Then I'll click next. Okay, you can see how it looks like. It's amazing, right? You can see how it looks like. You can scroll down to see everything, and you can see your total budget. You can also see your ad budget as well. So please do the one you can afford. So for you to pay, you click pay and create ad. So it will roll. They are trying to cross check my ads, and boom, immediately everything just pop up. So for you, you can choose the payment method you want to use. Do you want to use your debit card, or you want to pay with USSD, or you want to pay with bank transfer? Myself, I want to pay with bank transfer, so I have to select bank transfer. So it will direct me immediately on where I'm going to copy my account number, their account number, and make payments. Also note that these ads you are running on WhatsApp is also running on Facebook and Instagram. Reason is because Mark Zuckerberg still own WhatsApp, so you are running it on both platforms. That's on Instagram and Facebook. Okay, it doesn't mean that if you run ads on WhatsApp, it will appear on other people's WhatsApp status. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, so now you can see the account number, the account name, and the bank name. All I have to do is I'll copy the account number, I'll copy it, then go and make payment using either my OPay, PalmPay, MoneyPoint, Access Bank, anyone you're using at all. So after you made that payment, everything will roll immediately, and you will receive your receipt of payment via your email. And let me now show you the type of email you will receive after your ads is approved. So if they approve your video ads, this is exactly the email you will receive. You can see it by yourself. Your ad was approved, Okay, you can also view to see your ads, and once you make payment as well, you will also receive this type of email which shows your payment receipt from Meta. Meta is also known as Facebook. You can see how much you paid and every other thing. So if they send you all these things, then your ads will start to run. People will start to reach you via WhatsApp. Okay, and you start to close them and make money for yourself. So thank you for watching and see you in next section.